So I'm here with one of my really good friends, Isai. And we're in New York City and we were just talking about something crazy. I'm like, you know what? Let me hop on here and actually do an ad video because we were talking about just a year ago when I got into that crazy car accident, leaving me with my back, my neck, and my arm broken. And you were there for that. How insane was that time? Like,
that was a very insane time. We didn't even know what the outcome was going to be.
We didn't even know if I was going to be able to walk, if I was going to be a paraplegic. And I remember being on that hospital bed, looking at Isai standing over me, and we prayed together. And I was crying because I didn't know how I was going to pay my rent. Remember, I was going to get kicked out?
Eviction status.
Eviction. I was going to get kicked out. And I didn't even have a car because it was totaled because the car hit me, a truck hit me. And my mom, remember how my mom was? Hysterically crying. It was such a bad situation. I had to move back into my parents' house who were not even supportive of me even going on this entrepreneur journey. And then I remember when I told you, like, I thank God the day that I got hit by that car?
Yeah.
He couldn't even believe I was saying that. He's like, what do you mean? Right?
It's unbelievable.
He's like,
Who
yeah.
wants to get hit by a car?
And I was like, no, but I thank God that I got hit by that truck, because if it wasn't for that day and that doctor who came up to me and said, find the yantra, we went to India together. And tell me how life-changing the yantra was for you. They don't even know what I'm talking about, by the way. I didn't share this with anyone.
It was a spiritual awakening.
A spiritual awakening that manifested hundreds of thousands of dollars. And were you ever able to make any money before? Like hundreds of thousands of dollars?
Honestly, before I was struggling hard to pay my rent.
Me too.
Car payments, everything.
I was late all the time on my car payments. And let me tell you something. When that doctor said, find the yantra, I searched high and low for what he was talking about. And it's this image that if you look at it for 10 minutes a day, and I know you may think I sound nuts because he thought the same thing. He thought I was crazy, right? You thought like, yeah, okay, Ariella, let me tell you something. You do it. Give it 30 days, 10 minutes. That's all you need to do. You don't have to do nothing different, right? You just have to look at it 10 minutes a day. How many, do you do it 10 minutes a day now still?
Yep.
10 minutes a day.
Keep myself focused. Morning
and night, and meditate. And I will teach you. Just click that button below and get into my program and let me show you exactly how to use the yantra. It is going to be life-changing. I managed to travel the world, pay off my parents' debt, took him and all of my friends on vacation, and now he's doing the same thing because now he can afford it.
Absolutely.
He has the money, and this is about winning together. Click that button below and let me show you the secrets.